Hello, today we're going to talk about some more ways to break syllables apart. So as you're looking at a great big long word, you can figure out a way to know what it is, if you know how to break the syllables. So look at this first word, substance. Substance is a thing, substance. They use it a lot when they're talking about drugs, actually. Illegal substance, I don't know. Anyway. Substance. So, what do you notice about this one? Yesterday we did words that had vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. I don't think we're going to find that here. So what are we looking at today? Yep, you got it. Today there's an extra C. So it's a vowel with 3 consonants. Consonant, 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 and then another vowel. So in this word, we find it right here. Vowel, consonant, 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 vowel. Substance. Where would you split substance? If you were clapping it out, substance. Probably right here. Substance, right? Substance. All right, let's look at this word. Athlete. Can you find the 3 consonants together? Yep, it's right here. T-H-L. Those are 3 consonants. And there's a vowel on either side. 3 consonants. And how would you, if you were saying this word, what are the syllables? Athlete, right? Athlete. So we're going to split it there. So this one is split with a consonant, split, and then 2 consonants, right? And this one is split with 2 consonants and then 1 consonant. Okay, great. So now how is it that we can figure out which way it should be split? Can you look at those words and tell me something about the 2 consonants that are together? These 2 are what we call a digraph, which means it only has 1 sound. It's more than 1 letter, but it only makes 1 sound. So TH only says th. So time you get to stick your tongue out. Athlete. So it only makes 1 sound, so you're not going to break it apart. That wouldn't make any sense, right? It's just 1 sound. And over here, that one's called a digraph. Over here, S and T are not a digraph. They make more than 1 sound. You can hear both the S and the T when you say st. You hear S and T. But it is a very common cluster, right? Don't you see ST together a lot? Like in the word stop, and stout, and fast. There's lots of words that have ST together. There aren't a lot of words that have BS together. So ST together. So if you have a consonant cluster that's very common, or a digraph that only makes 1 sound, those things are going to stay together. And that's one way that you know how to break it, and then know how to say the word. Sub, that's a lot easier to say than that great big long word, isn't it? Substance. That one's kind of harder. Athlete. All right, let's try a couple words that might be a little bit longer. Maybe not, but maybe. So here's one. Kingdom. Oh, you can't see it. Let's see if I can fix this. There you go. Kingdom. So where would you break that one? Kingdom. We're going to break it right here. So it goes over here on this side. Kingdom. Okay. Need an eraser. Let's try another word. We'll try the word sculpture. Sculpture. I had to figure out how to say that word. Sculpture. Okay. So, how are you going to break this one? Say it. Sculpture. going to break it right here. The LP, you might not think of as a common cluster, but it is actually, because PT, when you see PT together, the P is silent. So, sculpture. So this one goes over here too, as 2 and then 1. And we split it right there. All right, let's try another one. Getting close. Let's try triumphant. Ooh, that's a big one. That means you're the winner. Triumphant. Triumph means that you won. And then if you say triumphant, it's a describing word for the person who won. Triumphant. So, how we split this one? It has more than 2 syllables, doesn't it? Triumphant. So, triumphant. Oh, look. There's our 3 cluster. UMPH. Triumphant. So, it's going to go over here. I'm not going to rewrite it. And we have one more. Inspection. I'm going to put it over here because I know it goes here. Inspection. Do we see 3 syllables? Oop, right there at the beginning. 1, 2, 3 consonants together with a vowel on either side. Inspection. So, inspection. Inspection, like that. Inspection. So basically this is what you're going to do today. You're going to look at 20 words. There are 20 words. And I want you to put them into where they belong, whether they are, you split them with this here or this here. So just like yesterday, I want you to highlight the 3 consonants together. Take your highlighter and highlight those 3 consonants. It's hard to do with dry erase markers. And then I want you to split it into syllables. You have a paper that looks like this, where it's divided already for you. Oh, you can't see that very well. Here we go, here we go. It says C/CC and CC/CC. And it gives you the example of substance and athlete that we did here today in our lesson. And then there is a list of words that you'll have to look online to see the list of words. And then you can write them on which place they go in. Highlight the 3 consonants together and then divide them into syllables. 20 words. Okay, thanks.